Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Whether you need to send cash to family abroad or collect a transfer sent to you, Western Union makes it super straightforward. Okay, so how do we send money using our phone or computer? So you just open up your app, Western Union, or you can also visit the official website and log in. Then select Send Money, choose the destination country, and enter the transfer amounts. After that, choose how your recipient gets the money, either via cash pickup or direct bank deposit. Enter your receiver's full legal name as it appears on the official documents, choose your payment method and confirm the payment. And also guys, don't forget, once done, save the 10-digit MTCN tracking number generated on your receipt. And now, how do we collect or receive those funds safely? So if the sender chose direct bank deposit, the money automatically drops into your bank account within a few hours to a few business days. If you are collecting physical cash, head to any local Western Union agent location, hand the agent a valid government-issued photo ID, like a passport or driving license, and provide that MTCN number I told you to save, along with the sender's full name and origin country. And the agent will verify the details and hand you your cash on the spot. So that is it guys. Enjoy, don't forget to like the video and subscribe.